This is the story how I met my afam. So I met him at this party. It's a senior Halloween party.
Ayan si Lola Pretty na may pakana ng lahat kung bakit ko nakilala si Afam. So the rest of the night, I kept him company para hindi nga daw siya maboring sa party. So after the party, akala ko tapos na yung lahat at hindi ko na talaga siya makikita ever. But after a few days, he showed up and say hi.
We made plans going out at tinatawanan ako ng mga friends ko kasi nga naglalakad lang kami papuntang bayan. But eventually ay nasanay din naman ako.
Hello, my friend. Kamusta?
English. We are talking in English.
Kamusta?
Mamaya.